Hey guys, it's me back in video here. I'm using as an updated version of my Ethernet settings and some other ways to reduce your ping. If this does not help you guys, add me on Discord and I'll help you fix it or just give you another idea to fix your Ethernet or your settings. For this tutorial, you will be needing an Ethernet cable. So yeah, so my thing is team tech like this and then hashtag 1114 and you guys can add me on there. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first, me typing in here, type here to search, do allow downloads from other people or like yeah, from other PCs. I'm gonna turn this off, go to advanced options, click the check marks, put them all to 5% on both, including upload and percentage of measured bandwidth measured against the update source. And then after that, I'm going to exit out. Go to here again. Go to CMD as administrator, by the way. Because then we're going to be searching up a DNS server. So when it says administrator, so we're going to be using Google's DNS and Cloudflare. We're going to be testing them both. For me, Cloudflare is the fastest one for me. But I'm going to show you guys on how you guys can check. So I'm going to type in ping 1.1.1, which is Cloudflare's. And then as you guys can see, I'm getting an average of 13 milliseconds. And then I did not mean to do that. When I administrator again, well for me. And then you're gonna do ping 8.8.8, which is Google DNS. As you guys can see, Cloudflare is faster for me. So yeah. So now we're gonna go to Ethernet settings. Boom. And then we're gonna go here. Most importantly, you guys have to put it on metered connection unless you are far away. But if you guys are like close towards the router or something, then put it on. Then you're gonna go to IP settings, go to edit, and then whatever DNS server that helped you, which is Google's or Cloudflare. So Google's will be like that, and then like that. That's Google's, but then mine is, for me, mine is like that, and save. And then we're gonna be exiting. We're gonna go back, go to change adapter options, double click properties, and then they're gonna go to configure, go to power management, turn this on, and then turn all of these off, and then go to advanced, disable interframe spacing. In my last video, I turned you guys to put this on enabled, but I actually put this on disabled, and if it works, then good for you, but if it doesn't, just put it on enabled again. But for me, this is helping me out for disabled, so yeah. Energy efficient Ethernet off, flow control disabled. This doesn't really matter, you guys can put it on force master mode, that's what I put it on. I mean, it doesn't really matter much. Interrupt moderation disabled. Interrupt moderation rate disabled. IPv4 checksum offload disabled. Jumbo packet disabled. Large send offload v2 IPv4 disabled. Same thing with IPv6. Legacy compatibility mode doesn't really matter. That doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. That don't matter. Maximum number of RSS craze, I guess. I don't know how to say. I recommend on number 2. Packet priority VLAN disabled. Receive buffers. This is gonna depend on your RAM. You got 16 gigabytes of RAM. I recommend putting this on 1024, but I put mine on 1256 just because I can't handle it. But if not, put it on 1024. If you have 8 gigabytes, I recommend putting this on 512. You have 4 gigabytes. I recommend putting it on 256. Receive side scaling on enabled. Reduce speed on power down disabled. RSS load balancing profile. I don't really know this, but I put my closest processor. Been working really good for me. Speed and duplex on full duplex for me, which is 1 gigabyte. System auto power saver disabled. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 disabled. Transmit buffers, you guys will be needing to double. So whatever you put on receive buffers, 2 times that, or like put it like higher than receive buffers you actually did. And then offload for IPv4, IPv6 for UDP checksum offload, both on disabled. Ultra low power mode disabled. These 4 doesn't matter. And then yeah, that's it with that. And then now we're gonna be heading up to TCP optimizer. What is that, administrator? Hold on, someone texted me. Okay, then. So now we're gonna go to custom. Put this all the way to 100 megabytes per second plus. Put it to modify all network adapters. And then we're gonna go just copy these settings. You guys can pause the video. And then we'll worry about this later. And then advanced settings, copy my settings. And yeah, you guys can pause the video for that as well. So now I'm going to be testing out MTU. So you're going to do CMD, Windows Administrator. And now you're going to be typing this in, which I'm going to leave in the description down below. So I'm just going to ping Google for this. And then this should be bam bam. So the alarm command. And then this is gonna be your MTU size. So I'm gonna test out 1600. Okay. Okay, if that's not gonna work for me, then they're gonna ping normally, and they're gonna see if it's oops. I guess I'm gonna use my DNS server. Use your guys' DNS server that's working for you best. I'm messing up so bad. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go, and now I'm gonna see how much it's fragmented. So packet sends equal 4 is lost 0%. That's what we want. So we're gonna put this higher every single time until it has like 1%, and then we're gonna lower it down to like 100. And then you guys should be good on there. So I'm gonna put mine on 3000. Alright. I'm gonna put mine on 3000. I'm gonna check that later. But for now, I'll just, keep with you guys. Please don't reset my computer. No. Okay, that's it for TCP optimizer. And now we're gonna be clearing out your network cache or cache, or yeah. Documents for me, Wi-Fi flushing. This will be in the description down below. And yeah. So we're gonna copy in these commands in CMD. and that one won't work for me. But you guys can check if it works for you. And then you're gonna restart your computer. Well, let me think if I have anything else I need to say. No, I don't have anything else to say for your networking. Yeah, we covered it all. I will be trying to find another way to help you guys with your FPS or Wi-Fi connection. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, notifications, and yeah. But with the MTU, with the TC optimizer, I want to just one more time for you guys. The MTU will be pinging your DNS server that you guys will be using. For me, it's Cloudflare, so you're gonna put that amount that you want, and then you're gonna ping that, and then if it says any lost, what did it say? Any lost, yeah, just lost. Any lost like there. If it says like 1%, then reduce it by like 50. If it says like 6%, then reduce it by like maybe 100 or 200, and then yeah. So we just want the MTU to be as high as possible, but not losing any, which will be good for your Wi-Fi connection. And I hope you guys for videos, got vacations, and have a nice day. And stay tuned for my next videos in the future. And yeah, bye.